Hello everyone. In this video, let us see an important interview program so-called Match Two Sorted Arrays. So if you check, so in Coding Ninja platform, so you can understood so how many times so this one so asked in interviews. Okay, Match Two Sorted Arrays. Okay, two sorted linked list, two sorted arrays. Okay, these are very important for interviews. Okay, let us complete two sorted arrays now. Okay, in linked list topic, so we are going to observe this match two sorted linked list. So right now I'm explaining so this match two sorted arrays program from so Worker Tech platform. Okay, it is from easy level. First, let us see the problem statement. So given two sorted arrays A and B, find the merged sorted array C by merging so A and B. Okay, so we need to find the merged sorted array here. Okay, so by taking some two sorted arrays called AB. So observe the example here. So array A contains values 1, 2, 3 and 2 fours, and array B contains the values 2, 4 and 2 fives. Okay. So on performing so sorting of these two arrays, okay, we are going to get so this resultant array here. Okay. And as usual, so here it's not required to handle so the input part. Okay, in the back end test case input and so in each and every test case so sizes of two arrays and so array values. Okay, A array and B array values are taken as input and pass it to the function here. We need to type the logic and return the result. Okay. So for each and every test case, it is going to print the output, whatever so we are going to return. So here sample input and output is given. So first array size is 5 and second array size is 2. 5 array values and 2 array values are given. So based on that, you can observe the output here. And next, so for the second test case, so first array size 6 taken and second array size 2 taken. First array value 6 values are given and second array 2 values are given. On so sorting these two arrays, so we are going to get this result. Okay. So let us see the coding screen first of all. So what are given here? In the solution class, match sorted arrays method is given. So two arrays already passed. So A array and next of all, so the B array. We need to return so the list of integers from this class. Okay. So by removing so the comments, you need to so type the code here. First, let me explain with an example. Okay. Afterwards, let us see the program. So fine. Let us take so this example. Okay. Fine. So 8. One minute. So wait everyone guys. Fine. So observe here with the help of so these two arrays we need to create so the resultant sorted array now. So that is called so C. So how we need to create, so this one, let us see. So this is from actually two pointer, so algorithm guys, and understanding, so this program, so you can easily, so finish a merge sort program, easily you can understood that. Uh, so this is one of the part, so in the merge sort program. So that's why before going to watch a merge sort program, so first of all gone through this, okay, merge two sorted array. So only you are going to observe some few changes to this, okay. So in the merge sort. So what we do actually in this program is, so to actually A array, so we'll take one pointer called I, and to B array 0 position, so we are going to take so 0 pointer, okay, J pointer. So we'll take actually, so this pointer to the positions, guys, okay? So that is to indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, and next of all, so the 4. Here indexes are 0, 1, 2, and 3, okay? So J pointer, so we'll take to the 0 in the index, and I pointer also will take to the 0 in the index, but I pointer, so we're going to use for, so A array, so J pointer we use for B array, okay? I hope you understood. So the thing is, so sorting means nothing but so comparison, right? Okay. So we need to make a comparison of so A array and next of also the B array values here. Okay. So A array of I position values we need to compare with the B array of J position values. Okay. So what is the A array of I position value now? Currently it's 1, right? Okay. What is the B array of J position value? It's 2. Okay. On comparing so these two, so we found that so A array position value is smaller when compared to the so B array J position. Okay. So what we need to do? So small values we need to store. Okay. So in the beginning, the C array, so that we are going to get a result in the sorted form, right? So first, what I am doing here, so whatever the smaller values I am going to found, okay, that values I'll store it in the so C array. First of all, so I'll collect so value 1, so into the C array here. Next, afterwards, see now we taken so A array position value into the C array, right? So we should update only so I index to the I position. So here it's not required to update J position. Okay, only we need to update so the I position here. So now we should make so comparison of so I position, A array of I position value 2, and so B array position, J position value is same now 2. Okay. So here if you found so both the values are same here. Okay. So that's why either in any one of the condition or a less than condition or else in greater than condition. So you need to take so like this less than or is equals to, okay, or else you need to take greater than or is equals to. It's up to us. So now let us do one thing. Let us take so this let 2 less than or is equals to 2. It's true once again, right? Okay. So once again it's true. If it is true, what I'll do? I'll collect so I position array of A array of I position value into C array, and later on, so I'll update only I to the next position. Okay. Still J is pointing to the so 0 position value of B array. Got it? Next. So what is the A array of I position value? It's 3 now. Okay. And so B array of J position value, it's 2. 3 less than or is equals to 2, it's false. Okay. Whenever we found so the condition is false. Okay. So then we need to store so B array J position value into the so C array, guys. Okay. I hope you understood. If condition is true, so we need to take so A array of I position value. Okay. So into the C array. Okay. So if we found, so the condition is false, okay. So B array of J position value we should collect into the so C array here, okay. So that is a process. So let us take, now we collected so the B array of J position value, right. So J we should update to the so next index here. So now J position value is 4 and I remains in the same position. So that is at 3, okay. So I position value is 3 and next of all, so the J position value is 4, 3 less than or is equals to 4. Now it's true. Okay, this one has to be executed. So A array of I position value we should collect into C array. Actually for C array also we need to maintain the indexes, okay, in remaining languages, but in Python it's not required, okay. That's why I'm not mentioning any indexes here, okay, in the C array. directly I'm saying that so we should collect that particular so position value into the array in C array. Okay. So fine. Now we should collect so 3 here. So now which value we collected? 3, right? So A array value we collected. So means we should update I pointer to the next position. Okay. So now what is this? It is pointing to 4. So J position value is so 4, right? 4 less than or is equals to 4. It's true. It's true means so we should collect A array value into the so C array. It becomes so the 4. I hope so you understood. Okay. So next afterwards again so I we need to update so again so we found the same condition here for less than or is equals to 4 true. So here so again we are going to collect A array value. So after that so on updating I to the next position it crosses the boundary okay of A array. It crosses the length of array A. So means is there any possibility to make comparisons now so with the I and J position values we are going to get index errors. Okay. So here, so you can understand one thing on reaching. So I to the so the length of array, length of any one of the array. Okay. So here I variable on reaching to the length of so A. So whatever the values so left over here. Okay. So in the B array we need to collect. We need to store all these values into the so C array here. Okay. So that is what are the values remaining here? 4, 5, and 5, right? Okay. So all those values we should collect so into the so resultant array here. So here for this example, you are observing that so B array values are remaining. So all those B array values are collecting here into the C array. But if you take some other example, so might be so J reaches to the so boundary of B array might be still so I points to the somewhere else in the so A array. Okay, in that scenario we need to collect so the A array values, leftover array values into the so C array. Okay, so this is the example explanation, guys. Let us see so the program now. Okay, I hope so each and everyone understood. So this let us see. Fine. So what is the first step I said? So it's a 2-pointer algorithm, right? Okay. Initially we should take so the 2 pointers here. So those pointers are called I and J. Okay. Initially we should take so both these 2 pointers to zeros. Okay. So 2-pointer means I already said in so many programs it's not same. Okay, for each and every program, so it differs. So program to program, number of variants are there. So on observing all these, okay, you can so design some other program based on 2 pointers. So easy, guys. Okay. So here I and J initially I'm taking to 0, and next of all, so I'm taking some so C array here. Okay. So C array, in that C array I'm going to collect so the A array and B array values in sorted form, and finally I'm going to return so that. Okay. And so till by what time so we need to traverse so this A and B array until we are going to reach the length of these two arrays, right? Okay. So initially I and J we are starting from 0 and 0 until we are going to reach to the so length of these two arrays. We should keep on traversing. Okay. So in different scenarios, if you want to increment different so variable, if you want to increment and decrement different variables, means we need to use the while loop. I said this in so many programs. With this, you can understood in which scenarios we should use the while loop also. Okay. So while I less than so the length of A, and next of all so J less than so length of B. Okay, until I reaches to the length of A or else J reaches to the length of B, we keep on so repeat this process. That is, what is that process? So A array of I position values we need to compare so with the B array of J position values. Okay, so if we found A array position value is smaller, we should collect so that one. So into the so C array here. Okay, into the C array, I'm collecting so F5 position. Afterwards, only I index we need to update, right? Okay, to the next position. For suppose if we found this condition is false, okay. If B array of J position value is smaller, okay, condition becomes false, right? In that scenario, control moves to the else block, and so into the C array we should collect so B array of J position value, okay. I hope you understood. So next, on collecting, so B array of J position value, we should update so J to the next position here, okay? And so what I said, so like this, it keeps on repeat. So any one of the conditions so may becomes false, okay? Not both. So might be both, so also might be false, okay? But we are taking so this scenario, okay? Any one of the condition may becomes false, so still we are left over with so collecting of another array values, okay? So that process, let us see here outside, okay? Whatever the so leftover values are present in so the array, okay? So if condition so becomes so false, this if J condition becomes false and still I condition is true, okay? So this part is going to be executed outside of this loop. So this one is going to be executed. So into the C, so I'm appending so A of I, and so I variable I'm incrementing so by 1. Instead of this, actually you can use this, okay? I'm typing in comments C dot append of. Actually in Python, so we have slice operation, right? Okay. So to wherever the position it stopped, okay. So from that position onwards, so the remaining values we should collect, okay, into the C array here, okay. So actually we can so type like this in this program, but so in MedSort program, so we need to take so the extra while loop like this, okay. So that's why I'm following so the same format here. Next, so let us take, for suppose might be loop may stops by reaching so I variable to the length of A. Okay, we may left over with the so B array values. Okay, we need to collect so the all leftover values in the B array into the our resultant array called C. Okay, C of append of B of J, and so J is equals to J plus 1. Okay, so this is the process of merging two sorted arrays. Okay, we are comparing so two array values and performing so the merge operation into the C array here in the sorted form. Okay, so finally we need to return so that so the sorted array here. Okay, resultant array. Let us test and submit. Okay, observe here execution completed. Our output and expected output is matching here, and let us submit. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay. So the same program so differs from platform to platform. So I already told you. So go through the same programs so from different platforms. So observe the same programs in the lead code. Okay, it's a different form. So try to so complete that program. Okay, so that your knowledge will be extended. Okay, I hope so. Each and everyone understood. So this one example explanation and so program. Okay, so let us meet in the next video, guys. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone.